Hi, this video is on how to add Kami to a student logon and subsequently how to use Kami. So the first thing is if the student doesn't already have Kami, you can add Kami by just Googling the Chrome App Store. So I've already got up there. So if I Google the Chrome App Store, the top thing that comes up is Apps Chrome Web Store right there. Now, students can only add apps that are approved on the National Trail Chrome app list right here. They can't add any other apps at all. So if they want to add an app, you could just search right here and type Kami to add Kami onto this student's account. And you hit enter. Okay, so I have Kami right up here. I typed in Kami and it only shows stuff from our web store. I click on Kami for Google Chrome and I can just click add to Chrome and then I click add the Chrome extension for this particular student. It says it's been added for Google Chrome now. Now I've just gone as this student and clicked on the 5th grade newsletter that is in one of his Moodle classes, and it opens like this as a PDF, and I have the option now to click over here and click on the Kami button, and now I'm going to log in and use Kami with Google. And I'm going to click to allow Kami, and now I'm logged in as a student. And I don't need to watch all the stuff. So now that I'm logged in as Kami, now right now all the students will be using the default one, which has some things that are locked. You can't use the dictionary, you can't use speech to text or you can't use text to speech. You can't use the equation editor, you can't add pictures, and you can't add a digital signature. Other than that, a student can do everything else with Kami. We do have Kami accounts for students on IEPs that have a need. Can sign up for the full version of Kami, and all you have to do is let me know and I'll send you the code for that. But if this was something that a student had to interact with, and there's nothing on here that they do, but if I did, I can go and add a text box anywhere and type right on a PDF. I can also draw right on a PDF if I wanted to. And when I'm done, I can save this to Google Drive and I can then share it back with my teacher. So if this is a worksheet that a student was using, I gotta reauthorize Google Drive. I'm doing all this on the behalf of this particular student that doesn't even know I'm doing it. So now, if I wanted to submit this, let's say it's a math worksheet or anything else, all I do is then hit share. I get this link. I'm going to share it. Anyone with the link is a viewer. And you can see it defaulted to just people in my domain. I can copy that. Now I can send that link to anyone else, and they open up the edited PDF version of this file. So that is pretty much it for how to add Kami onto an account and the tools that you have to edit, type on, write on a PDF once a student opens it from Moodle or anywhere else.